I'm Tom Ohnstad. I'm with High Impact Technology. I'm the Director of Engineering and co-founder. We started in 2004 and we developed the battle jacket system for the U.S. military. We had ballistic issues, we had fire issues, and we had durability issues on the tanker fleet. The self-sealing capability of the battle jacket is a two-part system. It's a self-sealing immediately because of the elastomer. It's self-healing within a few seconds because of the hydrocarbon behind it in the fuel tank. Battle jacket is actually tailored for each specific fuel vessel that we're coating. We can go very thin, we can go very thick. It depends on the threat, distance to the ground, type of fuel. So it's very tailorable, vehicle by vehicle, including air vehicles. We're using a universal test gun in a laboratory condition to validate it. We've also been in the field using handheld weapons as well. What I enjoy most about the battle jacket program and being part of this industry is bringing the soldier and the warfighter home again and actually protecting that investment in the vehicle as well. What sets battle jacket apart from some of the other systems in use are the ability for adhesion to the vessel itself. It does not disbond. Second thing is the self-sealing part is faster because of our 350% elongation. Third thing is we are reacting with the fuel and converting it to a solid. We do not dissolve it and soften our material. Once it heals, it is done. The battle jacket system has actually been fielded now for over a decade, and we're on thousands of U.S. military and now foreign military vehicles. We at HIT are very proud of the fact that we've saved lives, and this product has been bringing soldiers home for the last decade or longer.